Can someone please confirm if my screen is visible?
Yes.
Okay, fine. Let's get started with understanding the rule from scratch. Then you can ask your questions. Right? So this is the inbound rule. The moment you create energy, how to create, we'll see that part. While creating a machine, also one energy gets created, and if you want to do it separately before create energy, all rules and everything, and then start creating machines, that is also possible, right? So what are the default rules? First, let's try to understand. First default rule under inbound security is the name of the rule is allow VNet inbound. What does it mean? That any traffic coming on any port, any protocol from the virtual network. Let me open this, it will be easier to understand. Okay, so this is a VNet. Now the first rule says allow VNet inbound. Any port. What do you mean by port, by the way? If we are using our website, Google or anything that we are using on a particular port, port number is 80 for that. If we are using a secure website, port number is 443. If we are using, and the protocol is HTTP, right? You don't have to remember, just for your understanding. Then we have HTTPS secure. The port number for that is 443. Similarly, we are using RDP. When we use RDP, that RDP is the name of the protocol, RDP protocol, and the port number for that is 3389. Right? So what am I saying here? That allow VNet inbound traffic. Port. It is coming from any port. I don't mind. Any port. I can put a number here, but this rule, the default rule says any port, which means it has covered everything. Be it RDP connection, be it FTP connection, be it HTTP connection, be it your website accessible or anything, right? Any port, it is okay. Any protocol. Someone is trying to take remote, someone is trying to access your website sitting on the browser, someone is trying to transfer a file using FTP, any action, any protocol. I'm okay. Source is virtual network. What does it mean? Source. That the traffic should be generated. This rule will only apply that the traffic should be generated from this VNet. And when I say from this VNet, what does it mean? From any of the subnets. Right? Any of the subnets. So if this traffic is generated from here, then that rule will be applied on this. Right? The rule will be applied on this one. If that traffic is generated from here, rule will apply. If it is generated from here, but if it is generated from some other VNet, then that rule is not helping us. Okay? So what does this rule say? That traffic is generated from virtual network and the destination is virtual network. Again, this is generated from the same virtual network and going in the same virtual network. Then allow that traffic. Any kind of traffic, it is allowed. This is what the first rule says. Second one is related to Azure load balancer. Let's ignore it for now. Third rule, it is deny all inbound connection, which is coming from anywhere, protocol anything, source anything, destination anything. So basically, this is uh, denying everything. This one rule is denying everything, even the virtual network. The moment I say port anything, protocol anything, source anything, the moment I say source anything, so internet, other VNet, or same VNet, I have covered everything. So I'm denying it. So this rules deny everything. So if this rule is denying everything, how are you still able to access other subnets, guys?
Because
with the
the
help of first rule.
allow first rule, yeah.
But then this is a contradiction.
Lesser number, higher
Lesser
priority.
number is a higher
Yes.
priority.
This
Okay.
rule is basically denying everything. And after this, we have two more rules to surpass this because we have put them, as in Azure has put them, with lesser number, which means the higher priority. So this one, it says deny everything. Every incoming connection should be denied. Simple. But two exceptions they have given. Okay, if it is coming from load balancer, we'll see that later, it is allowed. And if it is coming from the same VNet, it is allowed. Clear till here? That why your RDP is blocked, why your internet is blocked. Internet as in if you're hosting a website on your machine, why will you not be able to access that website? If I'm hosting a website on my machine, you will not be able to access that unless I'm allowing that under NSG. By default, I'm not allowing that. Similarly, outbound. Now we have talked about inbound. Inbound की तो हमने बात कर ली, ठीक है? That any traffic which is coming to me on VM7 and it is generated from this one, it is allowed. Fine, right? But what about the outbound traffic? Outbound पे भी तो allow होना चाहिए. Then only I'll be able to make the connection. So same thing, it is allowing the outbound rule for any port, any protocol, as far as it is generated from the virtual network and it is going to virtual network. So these two rules are same, but they will have to be allowed at both the end. ये नहीं है कि मैंने एक सबनेट पे और यहाँ पे इनबाउंड तो अलाउ कर दिया है, but same time I'm saying you're not outbound is not allowed, so it won't make any sense because source and destination are same thing, right? They are virtual network, so I'll have to allow at the outbound also. So this machine, I'm allowing the outbound. यहाँ से मैं आउटबाउंड आरडीपी का आउटबाउंड अलाउ कर रहा हूँ, तभी ये इनबाउंड का कोई सेंस बनता है. ओके, वी आर एबल टू टेक आरडीपी हियर. If I have blocked the RDP, so this machine at this subnet level here, यहाँ पर block ही हो जाएगा that you're sorry, you're not allowed to send RDP request. Even this subnet says, okay, I am happy to take RDP request, be it coming from subnet 2, subnet 1 or within subnet, I'm okay. But अगर आपने outbound में allow नहीं कर रखा है, so this subnet is not letting you go outside. Getting the point, guys? So if you're not going outside of your subnet, then you're not able to reach here. Even if it is allowed inbound, you will not be able to reach here. So to make sure that these are communicating with each other, be it RDP, HTTP, HTTPS, FTP, anything, what Azure has done, they have allowed inbound and outbound, any protocol, any destination, anything as far as traffic is generated within this virtual network and it is destination is within this virtual network. The moment traffic is coming from outside the virtual network, that rule will not help. The moment traffic is going outside the virtual network, coming from the outside or going outside, that rule will not help. That rule is only applicable when source and destination both are within this virtual network. Hence they have allowed inbound and outbound all the traffic which is coming from here. That is what this rule says. First in both inbound and outbound. Second rule says allow internet outbound traffic. फर्स्ट वाला सेट जो था इनबाउंड के लिए था, ठीक है, that we are allowing the traffic from load balancer. Here the second rule says allow inbound traffic, sorry, allow internet outbound traffic. And this is the rule which is allowing your machine to access Google, YouTube or anything the moment they are created. So it says it goes on any port, right? It goes to any protocol. It goes to any source. However, I mean, it is coming from any source. The moment I say any source, it can be any virtual machine in that, it can be any resource in that particular subnet. Right? However, the outbound should be internet. If it is internet, then I'm allowing it. Apart from these two, everything is denial here. Apart from this, if you're trying to take RDP outside your VNet, it will not allow you. Why? Because it is denied here. It is denying everything. In the third rule, it is denying all the outbound connections. So is this point clear, guys? Are you guys able to read these rules? Any doubts? Any question in this? About port and protocol and source and destination, you'll get more clarity when we go on the portal. We'll just do it right now after this. Yes, guys. Any doubts? Any questions? Anyone? Feel free to ask, guys. If you did not understand even a single point, feel free to ask, please. This is very important. Firewall, you will use it maybe 1 in 10 times. Majority in actual world, you will be using NSG. You'll be playing on NSG. No one wants to pay extra for firewall when you can do the same thing. You can achieve the same thing using NSG. Okay, so I'm considering that as no question, and we'll go ahead and uh, we'll see the practical. Now, this is the virtual machine. We are able to use internet. So let's do very first thing is let's try denying the internet for this machine. Outbound internet, I want to deny. Okay. So what will I do? I'll go to this machine. Right. I'll go to network settings. Here we have network settings. Network settings. Under network settings, I'll check if my NIC, this is my NIC, if my NIC has any energy. So my NIC, does it have any energy?
Yes.
Yes, here it is. Can you see?
Yeah, by
Network
default.
security group. It's not really default rules, but yeah, there is one energy. What next thing should I check? I'm planning to make some rules जिससे internet deny हो जाए. Do I have to check anything else here? Where all can we have energy? Where I can do something?
Outbound port.
I know I have to go to outbound, but before that, should I check anything else? Something else?
We have to check on virtual networks.
What virtual network has to do with energy? Can you apply energy at virtual network?
Oh no, sorry.
Why would you check virtual network then? But you are on the correct track. Just have to come one layer down.
Subnet and interface.
On the subnet
Yes.
level.
Now I check NIC, but let's make sure I check subnet also. Maybe I have one NSG here, and maybe I have another NSG on my subnet. Okay, let's see that instead of one machine, I have these 8 machines. And all these 8 machines, they have NIC attached to it. And all of them, default rules are there, which saying internet is allowed. And now I want to deny the internet for all 8 machines. So I can go to all the machines, go to all NSGs and deny it. But better than that, what can I do? I can come and
You can
check
apply
whether
at
my
subnet
subnet
level.
has any NSG. And if let's say my subnet has one, let's say all these machines they have one NSG, okay, individual NSG. If it is only one NSG, by the way, is it possible that I can have only one NSG on all 8 machines? Is this possible or not? Is this setup possible or
Yes,
not then?
possible.
Yes,
Possible.
it is possible.
It is
Possible.
possible, right? And if this is the case, do I have to repeat this exercise for 8 times or just one time? I deny the rule at NSG level and it will be applied on all 8 machines.
One time. Yes, we can do it at subnet level.
Only one time.
We'll apply for it.
No, don't go at subnet level, guys. Forget the subnet. I'm saying there is
We have
one
to do
NSG
that
on 8 machines. Do I have to repeat the process or only one time will be possible and one time will work on all of them?
we have
One
to
time will
repeat the
work.
process for individual NIC.
But are we applying rules on NIC or are we applying rules on NSG?
NSG.
NSG.
How many energies do I have? I have 8 NIC. It's okay.
Only
But energy कितने हैं?
Only one.
one.
So how many times do I have to do it, Shaheen?
Only one time.
One.
Getting the point, guys? Don't get confused. It applies on the NIC, but we are not applying the rules on the NIC. It gets associated with NIC. So even if there are 8 machines, and this is connected to all of those 8 machines, right? And I want to deny the internet on all of those 8 machines, I don't have to literally go to all those NICs. I can simply go to this NSG and add a rule that deny internet. How to do it, we'll see that. But is the concept clear?
Yes.
Okay. Now, instead of one, I mean, not you will not see such kind of mess anywhere, but just for your understanding, I have 8 virtual machines and I have 8 NSG. Okay, and imagine all of these machines, they are connected to these 8 virtual machines. Now, and all of them have default rules, which means internet is allowed, right? This is the setup. And I want to deny the, don't go to the subnet level. I want to deny the internet on all 8 machines. How many times will I have to repeat this practice?
8 times.
8 times. I'll have to go to once each network security group and deny the internet. Go there, deny the internet. So before I do that, what can I do? I can go ahead and check whether I have any NSG at subnet level or not. Right? I can check that. And let's say there is one NSG at here also. I'm not asking you to put what NSG because it may conflict with many rules here. So don't go ahead and put any extra NSG. Just check whether it has. And then you realize that, okay, there is exact same NSG. I know doesn't make sense, whatever it is. Maybe engineer was useless. He didn't have a brain, was in a hurry, or whatever it is. This is a bad design, whatever it is, but this is how it is. Same 8 energy we have here. The ninth one is also exactly same. Same rules, no conflict, nothing. But for some reason, they have put 9 energy. And now my task is to block the internet on all these 8 machines. What will you do now?
I
We'll set
simply
rules on subnet level NSG.
Simple.
And
Got it?
deny that.
You will block it here. Getting it, guys? Now, Obed, I'll give you one example which will answer your question also. I want to block internet for 4 machines and allow internet for 4 machines. What will I do? You're free to delete or remove NSG. Now you can guide me. I want to allow internet on VM1, 2, 3, 4, and I want to deny internet on 5, 6, 7, 8.
Okay, so for 1, 2, 3, 4,
Hmm.
NSG1, NSG2, NSG3 will set the rule allowed
You're
on
free to, guys,
first floor.
you're understand my question again. You're free to add more NSGs. You're free to remove NSGs. You're free to do whatever you want. This is the setup I have. All NSGs are with default rules. My only request, virtual machine 1, 2, 3, 4 should have access to internet. Virtual machine 5, 6, 7, 8 should not have internet access. Give me the best design. You're allowed to do whatever you want. Not only Obey, anyone can answer.
Can I try?
Yes, Ajit. But just give one step each.
Yeah,
first step.
we can create two energy.
Two.
And
Okay,
one
wait.
energy
Enough, Ajit. Sorry to interrupt you. Enough. So you're saying just
Okay.
2 energies you need. Okay. So I deleted everything. Only 2 energies. Okay. Now next, what will you do with these 2 energies,
And
guys? Other than Ajit. Ajit, let others answer, please. I got it. Your concept is clear here.
Okay.
I
One
will
answer,
add
guys.
one
Shiny.
more line.
Yeah, one answer. Where do I attach these energies? Tell me that. As per your understanding. It doesn't have to be
Particular
right.
machines.
Sorry?
Okay. For those particular 4 virtual machines
Which
where
NSG?
we
We
have
have
to deny
NSG. Wait. We have NSG and we have NSG2. Now, which NSG are you talking about and where should I assign them? That's it. Answer only
Okay,
that
I'm
much.
talking about NSG2
Okay.
and
Where
we'll
should I
apply
connect?
it on
Hmm.
4 virtual machines.
Which 4 machines?
VM1, VM2, VM3
Okay,
and
that's it.
VM4.
Yeah, please mute yourself. That's it. VM1, VM2, VM3, and VM4. Fine. What should be the next step? Anyone else other than Ajit and sorry, who's answering now? Shaheen. You are answering, right?
Yes.
Other than Ubaid, you're done. Your concept is clear here. Other than Ajit, Ubaid, and Shaheen, what should be the next step, guys? Nagma, Rizwan, Kos, Zaid.
We need to create a one rule
For
to allow the internet access.
Sorry, create what
We need to create a rule,
rule on which NSG or NSG2?
NSG2.
Okay, wait. I'll just name it NSG. This is time consuming, guys, whatever I'm doing here, but trust me, this is best way to learn. NSG1, NSG2. So, sorry, which NSG are you talking about, guys? NSG1 or 2?
NSG, NSG2.
And let me write down my requirement also, just to avoid confusion. VM1, 2, 3, 4. I need internet. Remaining, no internet. This is my requirement. Yes.
So can I answer?
Yes, Zaid. One step, please. What should I do next?
So on NSG, like one NSG, we can like assign it to VM 5, 6, 7, 8, and deny the access for internet.
Okay. You covered 2 steps, but fine. Yeah, this is also a good idea. Here, I mean, technically, what I asked, you're achieving it. Now you're saying wherever you want allow, wherever you want deny, right? That's what you're saying.
Yes, but as well, I had one confusion.
Wait, wait,
one
wait, wait, wait,
question is
wait,
that
wait. We'll
instead
take
of
questions, guys.
attaching
Guys, we'll take questions,
NSG1,
please. Please, we'll take the questions. We're not done yet. Yeah. So this is what you're saying, Zaid, right? And now you're saying that wherever I need allow that, and whenever I need deny that. Is this technically right, guys? Just yes or no. Technically correct or not?
Yes.
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 Technically
yes, it
correct.
is.
Yes, Ajit. Now your question.
Question is that instead of attaching NSG1 by one virtual machine
Hmm.
card, so we can attach to the NSG1 directly to the subnet level
Yeah, let's do that. So you are saying that I should assign this NSG at the subnet level.
NSG1. Yeah, 1, 2, 3 NSG1.
NSG1 subnet level.
Yeah, NSG1 should have internet access, na?
I don't know. My requirement is VM1234 should have internet access. NSG, etc. I don't know. I don't understand. What is that? As an application owner, I'm telling you I need 1, 2, 3, 4. It should have internet. Remaining should not have internet. NSG वगैरह आप अपना देख लो. I don't know. I won't tell you कि किस NSG
Yes,
पे internet होना चाहिए नहीं होना चाहिए.
yes. So energy one should have internet access like a default rule, and we will attach on subnet level,
Your voice is breaking, Ajit.
and energy2 we will attach on the NIC card of the machine.
Okay, I think I got what you're saying, but your voice is breaking. Yes, guys. Anyone else would like to try?
Okay.
What are you trying? I got your answer. It's correct. It's correct. I got your idea. Yes. Is this correct, guys? What should I do now? Let's do quickly. I have to show you practical also. Yes, Obed, would you like to try now? Anyone would like to try? Yes, Kedar, tell me.
We can apply a default rule on NSG1 and NSG2. We can attach a VM5, 6, 7 or
Hold on.
like block the internet.
So instead of 1, 2, 3, 4, now you are saying I should remove this and put it to 5, 6, 7, 8, right? Is that you're saying?
Yes.
Okay, let me do that. Oh, let's just remove them. Not looking a good design. So you're saying I should put NSG 2 to 5, 6, 7, 8, right?
Yes, with no internet.
Okay. NSG 5, 6, 7, 8. And here I should put a rule, no internet. Is that you're saying?
Yes.
And what about NSG 2? Sorry, NSG 1. Should I put any rule there?
We can we can apply default rule over there.
Default.
Getting it, guys? Everyone understood? What Zaid said, that wasn't also wrong, right? This is also not wrong. Now, there can be many other hurdles and etc. By the way, designing is not your part. You don't have to worry about it. You just have to learn how to change, how to apply. But you should get the feeling of it because you're going to claim that you have worked for 5 years, 6 years, right? You can't simply just say, no, no, I used to do deployment. I don't understand anything. Hence, I'm doing this for you. So I hope this is clear to everyone now. How can you achieve this?
Yes.
Okay. Now, instead of this, what if I tell you that I have 100 machines, on 50 I need internet and 50 I don't need internet? Then what will you do? Will you go ahead and keep assigning this to 50 machines?
Those
No.
No, there's a concept of application security group. We'll see that later. Fine. Now let's go ahead and check this in practical. As of now, I have only one machine. This is the machine. I'm able to access google.com, right? I'm able to access the website. Along with the browser, we'll also take help of command prompt. So I'll ping google.com. What does it mean? If I'm getting the reply, what does it mean? Am I able to access or not?
Yes, there is a communication between virtual
Able
machine
to
and internet.
Okay. So I went there, I checked my NIC has one NSG. I'll go and check the subnet level as well, right? But in this case, I'm sure that there is no NIC, so I won't check. In interest of time, I'm not checking that. But in case you want to check, you can always go to, okay, let's check it. I come here, right? This is the NSG I have, fine. I checked, okay, there's one NSG. Now I want to check whether my subnet has NSG or not. So where will I go? From this screen, can someone guide me? Where will I go to check whether my subnet has NSG or not? Quickly, guys.
Virtual network and subnet. Click
Here
on
it is.
subnet.
Yes. So I click here. Where am I? I am on virtual network, right? Under I am here, I am on subnet. This is the subnet in picture because my machine is in this subnet. I click here. I clicked on this subnet. Let the page upload and I'll show you where do you see the NSG. Can you see network security group? Any network security group affiliated with this one?
No.
No.
No. So now I'm certain that there is no network security group at the subnet level, but there is one at my NIC level. So I only have to deal with one. So here it is. Now I need to deal with this NSG, this network security group. Now deleting this will help me. My aim here is to block the internet. Sitting here, I can simply delete it. Will it help me? If I delete any of these rules, will it help me?
No, by default is
No.
No. By
internet.
default,
First
no,
thing,
no.
you cannot
where
delete.
should I start working? Inbound rules or outbound rules? I don't want this machine
Outbound rule.
to access anything. Understand, guys, my virtual machine is accessing something. Is it an inbound transaction or outbound transaction for this virtual machine?
Outbound.
Outbound transaction.
It's an outbound transaction, right?
Outbound.
This is an outbound transaction for my machine. So I should be worried about outbound rules. Why am I not able to edit anything? Where should I go? Where am I? I am at NIC level. So where do I have to go? If I want to edit something, I have to go to that network
Subnet.
security group. Which network security group is this? Test dash
Test
VM
VM.
UT-Kloud dash NSG. This is the NSG we have to deal with. So either I can go from here or I can search from here and I can go. Same thing. Both will bring me here. Now I'm at NSG level, right? Just to double sure whether I'm on the correct NSG, you can check from here also that how many subnets are connected to this NSG. In this case, this NSG is connected to no subnet. You can also check that this NSG is connected to how many NICs. So I click here, you will see a long list. In this case, only one. So it is connected to my VM. So I'm sure that I am on correct I'm on correct NSG. Now, which rule do I have to amend? Inbound or outbound to fulfill my request?
Outbound.
Outbound. So let's go to outbound request. Outbound security rules. Can I simply just like this? Can I simply click here and delete it under outbound rules? Can I go ahead and delete this?
No.
Can I
No,
amend it?
no.
No.
So the
These are
only option I have, override it. So I'll have to add one rule. I'll follow exactly same. Source, what does it say? Any? Fine, let's go ahead with any. Right? Is that my requirement? Is the source any? Here, what am I trying to do? This rule, 65,001. I'm trying to deny this. So I can follow exactly same. So what is the source in this one? Any. So let's go ahead and take any. What does it mean? That no matter where is it coming from, let it come from anywhere. I am putting this role for that one. Now, source port range, any, it's okay. Or I can put that, if I put this asterisk sign, it covers all the ports. Destination, what should be the destination?
Internet. Any.
Any. Anywhere it is going,
Any.
it's okay. Because I will cover that under this one. If I do this, yeah, let's say if I want to just select internet, if it is coming from here, destination, service tag, and internet. This is how you can select internet. If I do any, then all the traffics will be blocked. Even I won't be able to talk to my other machines which are there in the other subnet. I will not be able to talk to them if I do any. So destination, that I am putting this rule for traffic which is coming from anywhere, but which is going to internet, right? Under internet, do I want to block only secure side? Do I want to block only basic side, or do I want to block complete internet? So I'm saying custom everything. Destination port, any. Okay, it's not taking number, so let's take asterisk. Protocol, any. What is the action? Do I want to allow internet or do I want to deny internet?
Deny.
Deny.
So deny. And now because I denied over there, even if I say allow, will it make any change just because I say allow internet here?
No.
Right?
No.
No. No.
But
No.
we'll
No.
always make sure that it has some sensible name. So I'm putting deny internet. Now priority. What can be the priority? Can I have 4096?
No.
Yes.
yes.
Why
Yes, you
not?
can.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
we
We
can.
can.
It is lower than this number. Right? Deny internet. Click add. It is creating the rule. Once the rule is created, you will see it here. Now look at this. This is a custom rule. You can always edit this. You can delete it. You can do anything, whatever you want. And if I go to my machine, it takes some time, but it will get applied here. So if I go ahead and open new browser, it will take the cache if I am in the same browser. So I will open in the private and try opening google.com. It takes some time, by the way. I think it's already being applied. See, I'm not able to access. Right? And look at this. Even it has stopped pinging. Got it, guys? How you control traffic. This is just one example. Next week, we are going to do few more. And then we are going to see few more things in energy. We are not done with energy topic. But is the concept and main things are clear? Where can we apply differences, default rules? How do we override the rules? If there is one NSG at a subnet level, one at the NIC level, which will work, which will not work? If there is one NSG and there are two rules, then which will exactly like this. There are two rules. One is saying allow internet, one is saying deny internet. Which one will work? Which has lower number of the priority. So are this concept clear, guys, to everyone?
Yes.
Okay. So now I won't give you any task related to NSG because I didn't show you how to create it from scratch. Or maybe I'll give you the task. What you guys can do, it's create the machine however we are doing. Later come to that machine, use the same method which I used, and then edit the rules, whatever I will give you. Let's say that I tell you that I want inbound task, inbound security rule with so and so port, so and so details. All this information I'll give you. Deny or allow, whatever it should be, right? Outbound rule, so and so. Now, I have not taught you how to create NSG from scratch, but that's okay. You will at least have one NSG. We'll see that next week. You will at least have one NSG to practice. You can't say that we don't have NSG to add rules. You will have NSG if you create the machine in similar manner like we have been doing. Okay? Any questions, any doubt, guys?
No.
Okay. We'll put the questions and task, and once your IDs and everything is ready, I'll ping you in the group. Though no one has connected with me yet. So one of you guys, please connect with me. We'll create your subscription, create the IDs for others. So in this week, maybe by Wednesday, IDs and everything should be ready. So you guys should be able to start with the practical. I'll upload the videos, I'll upload the questions and task, and we'll let you know once the IDs are ready. See you guys next week. We'll communicate over the WhatsApp and let you know when the IDs are ready. See you guys next week.
Yep.
Bye.
Thank you. Bye.